Hi. Here's a store completely devoted to baking. Around $25 for a small beer glass like this. $40 for a bit larger one. Look at these very nice Japanese kitchen knives. Ramen signs. If you own a ramen restaurant, you can go here and get the flags to hang in front of the entrance. You got everything you need to start a restaurant here. A huge rice cooker. Here we have a shaved ice machine. Put a block of ice in that and out comes the shaved ice. Very popular in the summer here when it's super hot. And here we got the old school stuff. Here we have a nice selection of chopstick rests, where you rest your chopsticks on the table. Look, here are many kinds. Here we got the Shinkansen, some buses, ice creams. Here's the symbol of Kappabashi. Kappabashi means kappa and bashi means bridge. And what is kappa? It's a sort of Japanese mythical monster from Japanese folklore. It looks like that.